Back here with Veracity. This is where we left off the last video here. Okay, you can see worked out pretty well. All right, and we were, I don't know where we were down here. I put price targets up for Shida or for Veracity, and we hit them. I just got done talking about that thing that happened with Shido. If you don't know, go check out my video. It's pretty crazy. I opened up the wallets that it went to and everything else there. But this is on the weekly. You know, I said this thing would take time to play out, but look at this thing. Worked out perfect. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave counts even worked out great. It's been a while since I did a Veracity video. That's crazy. All right, so you can see we hit these first targets. Actually, we ended up going up through them here. Going to show you that here in a second. We're going to look for the next price targets. First off, if you if you're interested, we have 133 members now. We have a level 3 trading membership you can get for $14.99. That gives you 20 plus videos, 9 hours of videos to teach you how to do this stuff. Look at charts, find price targets, all that stuff. 9 hours of videos, and you get an invite for our Discord, where we are killing it with trades every day over there. So if you want to, please check us out. Like I said, and to all the members, I think we had 30 new ones this week. Thank you so very, very much, guys. I really appreciate that. If you ask me a question in Discord and I don't get back to you immediately, it's not because I'm ignoring you at all. I look at charts and look for trades also. Then I'll switch back over and look at Discord. So I'll get back to you. I always do. So now you can, so if you're interested, come join us, man, for $15. We're really killing it over there with the trades. You can see this has done its 5 waves up. The way we had these targets on here, if we go out here to a weekly, all right, we took the Fibonacci from right here down to our low. Whoops, almost. Right about there. Okay, that gave us our 618 and 702 over here. We took out this first set right here. All right, so I'm going to take them off there. And I said if we get through them, this would be the next targets right up here. So that's how long it's been since I did a Veracity video. I had a couple people like heckling me in the comments, like, "Oh, this thing's never going to get to your targets or whatever." Well, it did finally. So. It worked out. Now we have gone through these. I'm going to take this off here now and take the 5 wave count off here so we can clean this up a little bit. Look at that weekly candle. Unbelievable. How much is that? That is a nice candle. 51.5%. Beautiful. Veracity has just tore it up. Now, if this could end up being a massive move, guys and girls. If we take this next set of targets, all right, we would put the fib. Wow, got to really zoom out here for this next one. This would be where the Fibonacci would go next, and the next price targets would be up here at 0.0205 and 0.022. All right, that should be the next targets we're shooting for. Let me get this off here, and we will put a box up here. And then we will look at the RSIs here and see if we are headed that way yet. Okay, let me get I apologize, there it is. Rectangle, we'll put the price targets right up here. These are the new ones. That's awesome, we hit these down here. I've been waiting for that, I love Veracity, been in this thing a long time, and it's about time we hit these targets. I apologize if you hear my mouse in the background. I got to get a new one. My roller's going on. It's wireless, but my roller, I think, is going here. That's the bottom. Let's be down just a hair. There we go. All right, we got these new targets up here. Now, if we are doing this is probably a 5 wave movement here. Okay, what we would do is take the trend-based fib to try to get a target for this thing. If this is a wave 1, 2 right here. All right, we would put our Fibonacci there, to the top, back to the bottom. Look at that. That would give us a target up through these, 0.0275, all right, roughly. But this thing is deadly accurate. I'm telling you, it's crazy. It worked out just perfect for Bitcoin there. Go watch my Bitcoin video from yesterday. Perfect extension. I mean, right to the top. It was awesome. So Veracity, that it would end up looking something, if it's doing 5 waves up, this would be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, if this is where it's heading to. Now let's look at the RSIs and see. And if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that so very, very much, guys. Helps me out a lot. I always forget to ask that, and I would very much appreciate it. All right, we do have a trend line starting on this thing down here, right up through here. And you can clearly see that is an uptrend. All right, we got a high here, a low. We got a higher high. Now we'll expect to get a higher low when this thing does retrace. I mean, that's how they move up and down as you go up here. Well, let's get this off here and take a look at the RSIs. The weekly is still heading up. It's at a 75 and a 52, so we could be heading for these a lot sooner than you think. The monthly is at a 79 and an 85. It is at the top, but look down here on this. It's at a 52 down here. All right, this thing is curving back up. You can see the curve back up here, so it does have bullish momentum, and the daily is about right near the top there. Of course, after a move like this, you know, you're gonna I almost expect this thing to run more. If this is a wave 3 inside here, this would be your 1, 2, but you would have 5 waves inside your wave 3 if this is a wave 3. And I teach all that in the videos you get with the trading lessons there, guys. You need to know this stuff because you can set trades up. When you're trading, you look at this thing and say, oh, that's you know, I just look at these stuff and see it now. All right, if this is not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, then, and the way you know that is by the 4th wave pullback. I'll look at this and say, that might be a wave 3, and then I'll see a big pullback, and as soon as it starts up, I jump in a trade and ride the 5th wave out. You know, 5th wave is usually a pretty good move. Or is this, whoops, there we go, a 1, 2, and this is the 3 wave, 4, 5 up. You know, we'll have to wait and see how this thing reacts here. Okay, but the weekly is still bullish and heading up, and the monthly is still trying to head up. So expect big moves out of Veracity. All right, you're going to get your pullbacks, absolutely natural. But we had a higher high here, a higher low. We have a higher high, and expect a higher low to come in when we have a retracement here. But Veracity looking great finally. Thanks a lot, guys. I will talk to you very soon.